Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time I posted any videos, so this time I wanted to post something which I face personally with my GoPro. So I wanted to share this across everyone in Ireland. So I'm based in Ireland and I had my old GoPro which had an issue, so I had to log a support ticket with the GoPro for replacement of the GoPro. So I wanted to show you the quick steps here, what you need to do to get your GoPro replaced, and it's super easy. So the first thing you need to do is you log a customer support ticket. You can ring them, you can email them, chat with them. Email I found easily, so I emailed them, so they responded back with whatever queries they had. So they gave me some troubleshooting steps which I did. It didn't work, so GoPro was not working, like it was stalling. So the support guy was very helpful. What he said is he can send me a shipping label via email, which I just need to print, package my old GoPro in a suitable box, go to a UPS center, leave it there, and then the rest of them is fine. So what I did was I printed out the label form, filled out everything in there, went to the UPS shop in Dublin. It was super easy, one of a drop-off center. I just scanned the label, add the package in there, and then that's all I had to do. Once the package reached Netherlands, I think in Netherlands somewhere they have the location. From there, what they did was, so they charged me around 120 euro, 100 euro. I think it's the basic cost. $100 is the basic cost, and then EU regulations, VAT, and everything, it became 120. So not happy, and I received my new package this week. So the whole process, I think it only took approximately 20 days, depends again on your location. And here is the package which I received, and I'm very excited to open it now. I'll just open it. The super thing about GoPro is they replaced my GoPro Hero 8 Black with Hero 12 Black, and I'm so excited. So the package only comes with a GoPro and a battery, nothing else. That's very light package which they give. So here is the GoPro. So they upgraded me to Hero 12 Black. I have no complaints. I just had to pay 120 euro, and I just got an upgrade and an end Euro battery. So that's a very super easy process, guys. If you're wondering in Ireland how to do it, it's straightforward process. You have a customer support chat, open it, they give you printing labels and everything. You just go in a UPS delivery drop-off center. There are multiple locations. You don't need to talk or do anything. You just have to scan your barcode, put it in the drop-off center, and then the rest of the process GoPro does. And they ship it through UPS as well. And I got a good upgrade to 12, and I am super happy about it. So I'll just open up this label. Like, it's basically a brand new GoPro Hero 12, Hero 12 Black. So yeah, that's all. I'm posting this video because I couldn't find any easy videos on how to do it from Ireland. So that's why I'm based in Ireland. So maybe that'll help for the folks in Ireland here. And thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you. Bye.